Who pays the most in taxes? A deep dive into tax distribution in the U.S. Understanding the tax burden. When discussing who pays the most in taxes, the question can be interpreted in several ways. Are we talking about the total tax dollars contributed to the U.S. government, the percentage of income paid in taxes, or the distribution of tax dollars between the rich and the poor? The next several minutes will explore these nuances, providing a comprehensive answer to whether the rich really pay their fair share and what that means. The evolution of federal tax sources since 1940. Individual income taxes, the largest source. Since 1940, individual income taxes have been the largest source of federal revenue. This trend has continued to grow, with income taxes making up the largest chunk of federal income taxes. The dollar amounts have varied, mostly increasing, but individual income taxes have consistently been the primary source of federal revenue. Corporate income taxes and Social Security contributions. While individual income taxes have been steadily increasing, corporate income taxes have decreased since 1940. On the other hand, Social Security taxes have seen a massive increase. Thus, the largest portion of federal revenue has always come from individual income taxes. But who exactly is paying these taxes? Who is paying the individual income taxes? Breaking down IRS data. According to IRS data, the top 1% of income earners pay the highest percentage of their income in taxes. The top 0.1% pay an average tax rate of 30.6%, and the next 0.9% pay 29.8%. In contrast, the bottom 20% have a negative average tax rate. Hence, the top 1% of income earners pay a significantly higher percentage of their income in taxes. Effective tax rates in 2024. In 2024, the effective tax rates, including federal, state, and local taxes, show a clear progression. The lowest 20% paid an average of 17.7%, while the top 1% paid 34.8%. Effective tax rates provide a comprehensive view of the total tax burden compared to total income, highlighting that the top income earners pay a much higher percentage of their income in taxes. Historical perspective on tax rates. Trends over the years. Looking back at 2021, the tax system was highly progressive. The more money one made, the higher the percentage of income went to taxes. This trend has been consistent over time. In 2001, the top 1% were already bearing a significant portion of the tax burden, and this has only increased over the years. The increasing tax burden on the top 1%. In 1980, the top 1% of income earners paid a growing share of the total tax burden, while the bottom 50% paid less. Over the last 40 years, the tax system in the U.S. has become more progressive, with the highest income earners shouldering more of the total tax bill in terms of dollar amounts. Tax credits and lower income groups. Impact of tax credits. As of 2021, the top 1% paid an average of $653,000 in taxes, while the bottom 50% paid only $667 each. Tax credits significantly reduced the tax burden on lower income groups, making the tax system more progressive. Rethinking tax strategies. The taxation of income. Given that individual income is heavily taxed, it may be wise to focus on growing wealth through tax-advantaged means such as running a business or investing. This way, you can reduce the amount of time you spend working just to pay taxes. Conclusion: the real issue with taxes. The debate about who pays their fair share of taxes is a distraction from the real issue, the lack of choice in opting out of the tax system. Instead of focusing on making one group pay more, we should work towards a system where everyone pays less, similar to the tax-free era before 1913.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.